kaldero sa atin, guys. Asan yung sasakyan ko? Hindi ko makita. Okay lang naman, guys. Hindi man ako sa iyo nagda-drive. So, okay lang. Tampons yung gamit ko, guys. Yung hindi.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning po sa inyo, guys. So, nag-decide ako na putulin ko tong buhok ko. Kasi tignan nyo yung color dito. Hi, guys! I've been watching, I've been watching a freaking how to cut your own hair. Guys, before I did cut my bangs, okay? I've been cutting my bangs. I will insert a picture here. Sometimes kasi just like now, I feel like I want to have yung bangs ba. And then, suddenly, you know, like I said, oh, maybe it doesn't look good on me because now my face is round. Because this picture is better because I was thinner then. But can I just tell you something, guys? I kind of nervous. So I decided I'm not gonna cut my own hair. I'm just gonna wait until Tom is going to the thing. And then, yeah, I will just do it together with him. And there's a lot of gray hair. I don't give a frick. But anyway, guys, so natatakot lang ako, guys, ikakat yung hair ko. So I really wanna cut this freaking ugliness the end of my hair. Pero, and my hair is very silky because of this. Hindi ito endorser, gusto ko lang talaga i-share sa inyo because of this Palmolive conditioner. I really like Palmolive, guys. Shampoo or gana. But wala akong shampoo. Pero yung conditioner talaga, ang bango ng buhok ko and yeah, ang bango. Hello, baby. Hello. Are you guys waiting over here? Are you guys waiting for Mama? Oh, you guys cannot come in here. Yes, you cannot. Yes, you cannot come in here. Oh, Aloy. Aloy. No. What is she? What do you guys want? Huh? What do you Misty? Misty? Look at tignan niya si Misty. Misty? What do you want? Oh, do you want something na niya? Ang bubunti? Want some bunsi? Dada! Okay guys, ano lang ako guys, mag-coat kasi ang gwinaw. Ay, nako. Aling coat yung susuotin ko. Ay, pabalik-balik na lang ito. Nahihiya na ako, guys, sa inyo. Ito na lang, pink. Dalhin ko kayo, guys. Tingnan natin sarili natin dito. Okay naman, di ba? Okay naman. Ito. Nakasagabal man kasi pag may bag. Ay, sagabal ba? Nasagabalan. Sagabal talaga yung magdala ako ng bag, guys. Yung mag-grocery. Hey, you're not going with me. You come back up here. Hey, you go back upstairs. You go back. I'll be right back. Okay, I will be right back. Roxy, listen to Mama. Din o ice ba to? Hala guys, ice oh. Tubig. Wala na ay meron pang laman, konti na lang. Hala, hindi pa nandun. Ay, ewan. Konti na lang guys. Marami pa. Okay, you're not going with me, Roxy. Come in and you're not going with Mama. Yung sasakyan ko ang amoy niya is naging yung amoy niya kakaiba. Hindi ko kayo i-mount. Dalhin ko lang kayo, baka mag-vlog tayo doon sa store. And ilagay ko kayo dito. Kailangan ko lang Where's my phone? It's right here. I need to charge my phone too. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Bakit Lysol, yung nag-grocery kami ni Tami. Yung Lysol na ano, na natumba. And then, okay guys, andito na ako. And, hanap tayo ng ano. Kumuha ako ng, of course, pads. And then, hanap tayo ng cat food. And then, dog food. Cat food muna tayo. Dito sa cat food. Short vlog lang tayo ngayon ha. Kasi nakakahiya guys ha. So, hanap tayo ng dog food na naman. Iwan ko dito, ba't nahanap na tayo ng dog food? Ang saya talaga guys kapag mag-ano na mga bahay, ano. Ang saya. Ito yung nabili ko guys. Meron akong hinahanap, hindi ko maalala. Ay, Caesar pala. Ang mahal naman. Parang ito yung cast iron, oh. Ang bigat guys. Pwede ito malagay sa ano, oven. Lagayan ng steak. Anong tawag ito? Cast iron. Ang dami pa, oh. Look, ang ganda. Ang dami. Kaldero sa atin, guys. Ganda ng kaldero. Ang laki niyan, oh. Ang laki. Hi. Sana makahanap tayo ng ano, yung pangbahay ba? Sa ilalim sa sink kasi nagkatag kasi yun. Meron na ako nito. Tapos na guys. Done. So hanapin na natin ngayon yung sasakyan natin. Tapos na. And nagutom na ako. As in gutom na talaga. Ang daming snow dito eh. Dami. Asan yung sasakyan ko? Hindi ko makita. Asan ba ako nag-park? Payuka naman ito eh. Ay, dito pala. Dito lang yung sasakyan. Yung sasakyan nag-park ay nasa gitna talaga. Itong sasakyan ko ba? Yung amoy talaga is andito talaga. Anyway guys, so, nagutom ako. So, nagdesisyon akong bumili nito para meron akong ma-munchkin. Para meron akong makain-kain at saka para mabawasan yung gutom ko, guys. Kasi ganyan naman talaga ako. Itong sasakyan ba? Camaro. Oh no, Chevy. Camaro talaga. Nasa gitna talaga nag-park. Hindi pa nahihilis yung snow dito. Ang dami pa. And then start driving. Oh, Tommy called me. We call him back. Hi, where are you? You're in the Bronx?
Yeah, where are you?
Just in the parking lot. Just get out from Walmart. I'm sorry. I don't hear your call.
Yeah, fine.
You know, signal inside. There's nothing.
So when you get old, like you start going deaf, I get it.
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever. Yeah, whatever.
Ang ganda ng music, guys. Pasensya na, guys. Okay lang naman, guys. Hindi man ako sa highway nagda-drive. So, okay lang. Nandito man ako sa tago-tago na lugar.
You say, don't lie, and now that I am leaving, no, that I did something wrong.
There's no dada. Just mama. Guys, yung binili ko is dog food. Yan. And then extra cat food. Because ang dami naman nilang cat food. So, extra lang yung binili ko. Ito yun, bok choy, pichay, eggplant, and zucchini. And also guys, yung paborito namin ni Hubs na bread is yung King's Hawaiian bread. Apat yung binili ko kasi guys, ang mura lang sa Walmart. At saka if you go to ShopRite, double the price. Wafer. And yun, dalawang klase lang yung binili ko. Tammy's favorite also. Cucumber. I'm gonna make this for Monday. That he has something to eat. That he like. And okra guys. And strawberry napkin. Tampons yung gamit ko guys. Yung hindi. Ito guys, pang ano lang ito first day. Second day is iba na yung isok-sok na natin. Ilagay ba? Isok-sok. And finally, nakahanap na ako ng coffee mug. Yung clear na coffee mug. I got guys a hot pepper. Ito. Ipaplant natin yan para sa summer. And also bok choy. Pichay. O lipstick. Kasi wala ako nitong shade na ito. Ito yung Super Stay Matte Ink na Maybelline. Itong shade na ito is wala ako. So, bumili ako dan. And also, of course, panty liner. And makeup remover. It's too big, Rox. You're afraid? Ito guys, pang mix, pang sandwich man ito guys. Pero binili namin ito kapag wala na talaga kaming panglagay sa aso. Pang sandwich ito. Ito yung oven roasted turkey breast. Ito siya. For the dog and cat. Extra. Anyway guys, nagkakat ako ng mga pang gulay natin dito. Pichay. And tomato, onion. At saka yung long hot pepper andito. So, yun, lemon, garlic, kasi ang dami kong lulutuin ngayon. Vegetables, unahin ko sila. And then, salmon na inununan. So, inununan, guys, mag-salmon, inununan tayo. Paksiw ba? Tayo. And then, meron din, diba, nagdi-defrost ako kahapon. Hindi ko pala nag-vlog kahapon. Pero yes, I defrost yesterday a pork. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is yung pork, adobo natin din. So, 3 yung lulutuin ko ngayon. Kasi sayang naman yung pork kapag hindi ko lutuin, diba? Yun guys, andyan na guys. Luto na yung inununan. Anong tawag nito guys? Oh my god. Utan Bisaya guys. Luto na guys. Nilagyan ko ng maraming tomato. So kaya para siyang and then 1 sardines, 1 can. So wala na tayong sardines. Tapos hurot, limas. And yun guys, next cooking. Tapos na tayo dyan sa lauoy. Utan Bisaya. Ito na naman tayo sa salmon paksiw. Ang nilagay ko sa paksiw guys is soy, lemon, and then garlic, onion, at saka ginger, and then oil, and then vinegar, and then pepper, ground pepper, look, yung itim-itim, yan. And then nilagyan ko din siya ng asin kasi nilagyan ko siya ng maraming tubig. Kaya maraming sabaw, tubig kasi yan. So nilagyan ko ng konting asin. So yun lang siya guys. So yun, tapos na ako sa salmon. Yung salmon andito, tapos na siya. And then, meron na naman ako niluluto. Yung inano ko kahapon na pork. So yun siya. Ano yan guys, adobo. Magmumukbang ako and then I will upload it in my other channel. Okay? Ito na siya guys. Naglilinis na lang ako guys. And linis-linis. And meron pa ako ditong hugasan. Wala ng sabaw guys. Pina-fry na lang ng Pina-fry na lang ng oil niya. So yun ang pinakagusto ko. Yung parang napa-fry na sa oil niya talaga. Okay guys, I'm going upstairs. I have to change my sobrang sikip. So yun. Let's go. Hala, hindi ako uminom ng tubig. Somebody's crying guys. So kailangan nating sino man yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Oh, my little boy crying. My little boy is crying. Come in. Come. Come up. Let your sister go. Roxy. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hold on guys. Hold on. Okay. Hello po sa inyo guys. And I put lipstick on kasi akala ko mag-ASMR ako ngayon. Malapit na tayong mag 30,000 guys. Malapit na guys. And magpa-giveaway na tayo. Malapit na tayong mag-giveaway guys. And I hope you guys will keep subscribing sa channel natin para mag-giveaway na tayo. And I hope you guys do. Tommy will announce the giveaway guys. I will try to ask him what his plan for the giveaway because he said something about maybe something a little bit higher and maybe 2 people or 1 people. I don't know guys what his plan, but I will let him announce once we hit 30,000 because we're almost there. Well, malapit na tayong mag 30,000. So please keep on subscribing guys and please sharing my videos and I really do appreciate it. And bago yan, meron akong i-shout out. Okay, meron akong i-shout out. Minute Di Guzman. Hi sis Minute. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Good night guys. Good night.